TYL. We talked about that one in the downtrend. Now we're going to talk about EQIX and what the reversal top was right here. This date, by the way, will let you know exactly, and it does, and that was on 421. Then it gaps down, then it goes sideways on the daily, but then look at this volume right here. So we could see what the sellers were doing with it. And we can also see how we came down right above the 100-day moving average. They bounce it back up to the high bar because it does have some volatility in it. And at times, today's movement, though, was $19.20. So they opened it at 703.65 and the high was 710 and the low was 690.83. And guess what? That was negative $17.03 or 2.4%. And that's exactly, and that minus 1065 since the open. Previous day's close was 710. So my point being is it was 710.03. And EQIX does have some volatility in it. The thing that you would like to know is that it does have a daily sell signal and it has fallen through the support level where the trend lines are. You can see them there on the chart. And now it's going to break that, it's going to break the 100-day moving average. Okay. And so we've identified the top and whatnot. The difference is when we go back in time, it used to hold right here when it made those highs day after day with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days up. Is that was a bounce off of the 100-day, but if you notice, the 100-day moving average had been declining. Yes, it did flatten out, but the problem is the 50-day is below the 100-day. No matter what. And that is always going to have relevancy in price action and why trends that are going down versus going up. So we can clearly see right here where that was. And it bounced off of the red line, the 100-day simple moving average as it did, and it made the highs. And that was a breakout to that high reversal. And the high was 735.77. So today's low is, guess what it is? I know what it is, 690.83. Subtract the 2, that's your reversal. As we know it, out of that $19.02, $17.03 was price decline, and we refer to price action. And once again, if we break that 100-day simple moving average, well, the 50-day moving average is down here at, let's just call that somewhere around 676. So you buy the put options, you get in the live trading room, you take the next step to get your good entries, you do all of these wonderful things, and you have fun at the same time in the live trading room. That's where it starts. So let us not forget that, and let us not forget the price action. Then the identity of the option market, that's a whole different thing. Now that you've identified a reversal trend, at a key breaking point, either it bounces like it did back over here on that date, and that date was on 4/13 when it had that trend, and that date right there ended on 4/21 of 21. How about that? So we know that some days you don't have really big price reversals, but this was a big sell down day. And it was. So one of the things that we would like to point out is the following, is the identity of your option market and how you make money with the options now that you've identified the stock trend. It's that simple. Join us at the free 5-day trial. We spotted it, we've seen it today, and we're sharing it with you. And you're welcome to join us, and that would be fun. And you will have fun.